Needle tool lost in the scraps again? Has the dog taken your favorite rib? Does the clay wire keep wandering away? Are you frustrated and wasting precious time searching for the right tool? Well, no more. Introducing the Pottery Noodle, the greatest thing in clay since Naked Raccoo. Need a needle tool? It's right there. And back it goes, just as easy as that. Every tool right where you want it to be. How about a rib? Sure, thanks Pottery Noodle. Just follow these easy steps to make your very own Pottery Noodle.